Let's look at stories coming from the courts. The 4 suspect poachers who were arrested while poaching rhinoceros at Hlane Game Reserve are now facing a total of 14 counts, including charges of murder, contravening sections of the Prevention of Corruption Act, and contravening sections of the Prevention of Terrorism Act. This follows that the Crown has added 8 counts from the initial 6 that they were facing. When the 4 suspects who are facing charges, which include poaching charges, last appeared in court, the Crown applied to amend the charge sheet with the intention of adding more charges to the 6 that the suspects were initially slapped with. When the matter resumed in court on Wednesday before High Court Judge Sipongosi, the Crown presented more charges that the suspects are now facing. The suspects, Isaac Mkabela and Stanley Hlagulufu, who are South African nationals, and 2 Swazis, Muzi Dlamini and Sipho Mhlanga, are now facing 14 charges. The new charges include 2 murder charges. The Crown believes that the suspects caused the death of Lucky Shabangu and Castigo Zaini Zakula. They are also facing terrorism charges, money laundering charges, and a charge of contravening the Corruption Act. Judge Sipongosi asked the Crown that who exactly killed the 2 suspects. The Crown, through Patrick Mkachwa, informed the court that the 2 deceased suspects were shot and killed by the police and the game rangers at Hlane, but they are ready to prove once the trial commences why they are charging the suspects with murder. One of the suspects, Sipho Mhlanga, who was out on bail, having been granted bail by the Simunye Magistrate Courts, was re-arrested on Friday last week. The judge ordered that his bail record be brought in court when the matter resumed. The suspects, through their lawyer Makawe Stole, are adamant that Fanambata, the game ranger, is the one who plotted the whole thing, and they will prove it in court during trial. The judge postponed the matter to Wednesday next week. For Swazi TV News, I'm LinkedIn Gule with Sibusiso Ngubane at the High Court.